We're going to see the first shots going in tomorrow, Wednesday, over the next few days, and then it's going to ramp up in the days and weeks ahead.
It's been a long time coming, more than 2 years into the pandemic, and the COVID-19 vaccine is now available for kids 6 months and up. But a lot of parents told 11 Alive today they still have questions about the shots.
That's right. Tracy Amig-Pierre is working to get you some answers tonight.
Most people around the world would be dying to get their kids vaccinated. I think it's a really important tool to have.
Emory's Dr. Carlos Del Rio says kids as young as 6 months old should get the COVID vaccine, now that the CDC has expanded its approval for this younger age group. So how has COVID impacted the youngest kids? According to DPH, more than 61,000 kids under 5 contracted COVID in Georgia. About 2% of those cases needed hospital care, and 12 died. Del Rio says it's worth getting your child vaccinated.
And there are many diseases that don't have a high mortality we still vaccinate for. And I think, again, it's a matter of putting things. This is not just to prevent you from dying. You don't want kids to get sick.
Some parents are also asking questions about what kind of testing went into these shots. Dr. Del Rio says even without long-term tests, research shows the vaccine is ready.
And we have the testing that has been done through the clinical trials. And again, the FDA required additional testing and therefore additional follow-ups.
Another question we got, do some kids need it more than others? Dr. Del Rio says he thinks all kids should be getting these shots, but especially those with certain conditions.
Kids with respiratory diseases, kids with asthma, kids with, congenital defects, kids with immunosuppressed conditions.
And if you have any more questions, talk to your child's pediatrician about your specific concerns. How many shots the child gets and when depends on which vaccine you choose. And we'll break all of that down for you coming up at 6.